Right, so hello everyone and welcome back to the Southern Biker, and I must say, it has been a while, but you joined me and Alex.
Yeah!
Yeah, man!
Yeah, man!
We are headed to the Great Bentley Bike Meet, because I've never been here before, and you said you've only been once?
Only been once!
So, sod it, the weather's nice, and I ain't got work tomorrow, so we're going to head down, because it's about an hour and a half away from where I live. Right.
It's a nice little ride.
It's basically just all 70 roads the whole way there.
Yeah, true.
Right, so we're about, how far away are we?
5 minutes exactly.
We are 5 minutes away. I'll cut back to you all when we're at the place. Ah, there we go, up ahead. Nice, lovely shit. Oh, there's food. Right, where's the entry actually?
Look at that doggy.
Oh, he's got a little chair. The only thing I think it's got. Oh yeah, it's a bit busy, isn't it? Oh, the classic Porsche, early 2000s. Oh man, ice cream sounds good too.
I had a burger here once, I think. It was fit.
Well, I'll probably end up getting one.
Actually sponsored by the Plough Pub, isn't it?
Is it? So I take it we end. Oh yeah. Yeah, is this Porsche going to try and come up as well?
At the KTM. The KTM was when I first came here.
Oh, the 390. Oh, they got pizza. Where are they getting pizza from? Oh man, there's loads here.
Shane, this isn't closer.
Yeah, it is actually.
It's a nice ride, but like if you did it every week, you're going to spend a lot on fuel and you're just going to get a lot, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see. Yeah, cheers. Thanks a lot, mate.
It's been a while since I've actually ridden on grass.
Yeah.
Oh, we're up
Perfect.
food as well. Thank you very much.
Sounds pretty fucking solid.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I didn't even think about bringing the little side thing.
Fuck. The home it changed.
Oh. Oh. Lovely jubbly. Right. Let's get the.
Straight to the food.
I don't know whether to go now or after and let it die down for a bit.
A few moments later.
Right, well, we haven't actually looked at any bikes yet. We've gone straight for food, haven't we? Rate the burger. 10-10 burger. So we're going to munch on this and then once you go look at some bloody bikes. Right, so I'll be honest, most people have left, but there's still a few bikes here, so let's go and have a look. So starting with an Indian, KTM, Suzuki, Harley, Kawasaki, Yamaha. I do quite like that Ninja, Ducati Monster. I'm not going to look that way because the sun is just going to take all the colour out of that. Two Jixers. What is that? Bandit, a Jigsaw, Harley, R1, BMW. I do quite like those in that colour actually, the 950 Ducatis. Obviously here's mine and Alex's bikes. Be Strong. That's one of those Hondas, isn't it? Speed triple. Hatchet Fireblade. Oh, feedback's turning on. There's one of those new GKs. So yeah, I can confirm the burger was quite good. Cheers. Alright, so 950 with some decaled fairings. Oh wow, that's a very British inspired jigsaw. GS. That's quite nice. I've lost Alex already, I sort of just went off. So these lot are about to leave. Oh, I found Alex. Hello, Brev. Hello, Brev. I lost you, Brev. Before I walked off.
I like that 890. And this one.
Yeah. Two CBR 600S, which are bikes I am actually looking at next. So yes, you've got a burger van over there. That one in the middle, the silver one, the green flags, does like hot donuts and waffles, and then there's an ice cream van at the back. V650S and a dirt bike. They're about to leave. Quite a lot going on here, isn't it? I do apologise for the fact that the sun is going to be a bit of an issue. Something with a sidecar. It's quite nice. Bimble. Street triple. Trike. Cheers, Heather. I must have some prettier, but I feel like I could be wrong. Phaser, Tracer, big BMW Thing, MT09, XSR 900, Jixus 1000, Z900 RS. Bikes here. Start getting ready to move. Just noticed that little blue thing. Phaser 8, CBR 650S, F, not S. That's an MV. I thought that was a Ducati Monster at first. Where should we go? There's a few more up here. Oh, there's Alex again. They're all spaced out now. Burning the burger off. Nice Ducati Panigale. That's an old KTM Duke. Another old KTM Duke. Duke. It's an Ultron Tiger, isn't it? There we go. H2. Is that a Scrambler 400 or a Speed? I think that's a Scrambler. Oh yeah, yeah, that's quite nice, isn't it? There's a bunch more. Tracer. We got over here, got some small spikes over here. Quite a nice old Ducati. Fireblade, Tuono. Is that the 660 or is that the 1000? I don't know. Tell just by looking at it. I think that might be the 660. So if it tells you that the 1000, oh no, it's the V4 back, never mind. Oh, that's Jigsaw and a Harley. What we got over here? So yeah, the bikes are now spread out. I should have got food after filming, but I can't. I mean, we're both hungry and the queue was massive. Oh wow, an RC8. Don't see those too often. Well, I want to show Alex that. He's gone. See there. Daytona 650. I've done it consistent on the side. Big thing, isn't it? Wow, that's classic. That's for sale as well. How much? 3,200 quid. Just gonna have a look what's by the pub. Let's go and see what's at the pub. Some sponsors. Obviously, this has now got to be marshalled and sponsored and stuff for the cancer to allow to keep happening. Honda VTR, very yellowy gold BMW, Harley, prettier CB650F, Ducati Scrambler, a Z, I don't know which one that is, and a Speed or a Street Triple. What else we got? Let's get a look. There was more here when we turn up. What is that? Oh, that's a Fireblade. And then we've got a cruiser thing. It's like a newer version of my bike. And a big BMW Tourer. This is the plough. I believe, yeah, they are a sponsor for the bike night here. Right, where should we go now? Road's clear. I want to go show Alex that RCA. I don't know if he's noticed that, but I don't know where he's gone. Yes, it must be over that way now. Probably getting ready to leave, so pretty sure me next won't be here for much longer. Another VTR. Is that a ZX7? It's nice actually, isn't it? It's quite nice. Another old Triumph. And a Hayabusa. Very nice. Right. To be fair, that's pretty much everything that's left here. Maybe next time I'll film as soon as we get here. Right, I'm gonna go find Alex. And then I guess I'll throw up a clip of us leaving.